Hold the smoke detector with the front of the smoke detector facing toward you and spin the back plate clockwise to remove the back plate. Install the supplied battery. Refer to the installation manual for best practices on where to mount the smoke detector. The smoke detector can be mounted on a wall or the ceiling. Once you've selected the mounting location, drill 2 pilot holes using the mounting bracket as a guide. For best results, place the holes in the channel on the left and right as close to the center as possible. Fasten the back plate to the surface using the supplied screws with the flat side of the back plate against the surface. To install the smoke detector, find the raised alignment notch on the outside of the mounting plate. Find the raised alignment notch on the outside of the smoke detector head. Insert the smoke detector head with the alignment notch slightly to the left of the alignment notch on the mounting bracket. Twist the smoke detector clockwise to lock it into place.